to me, come back to me. Thank you very much.
I would like to persuade you to stay till very late because we have very interesting films. I'm curious to know if Agnes from Woman Magazine New Vision is here.
Museum, people who are not even in Uganda or Ugandans who could have missed those stories will go to the Uganda Museum, read those stories and see how far we have come from. So that's the background to this. When Sarah Ntiro was chased from the university, I'm so happy you have Sarah Ntiro there, the first woman graduate in Uganda. She goes to university, she's doing economics, and the teacher says, no, I'll not teach you. Why? She was intelligent, she did well, but she was a woman. I want to look at Gloria Mulira, a woman who struggled for women emancipation. She told women not to sleep with their husbands until the Kabaka was brought back. That is after the British had deported him. Okay? Then I will take you back to the women's struggle. I would like to be told, because right now Saida Bumba is making a lot of news in the area of corruption, and I'm so happy about the achievements of women, but when we also come up with these controversies, it sort of like affects the credibility for which we are pushing for women, because we say they are sober leaders, they are more passionate because they're mothers, they want to take a woman. In this particular thing, storyboard, why is Saida Bumba there?
Saida Bumba is featured here as the first female minister of finance. She deserves to be here because there's here, among the women that are here, there's the first female graduate, the first female to join the police force, the first female vice president. Today, we need to appreciate that it's not as hard for a woman to get a political posting. And then there's men out there that actually appreciate that this woman can do this, and they give her the position.
Talking about a revolution. But while I'm gone, let me tell you now, everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Little darling, don't shed no tear. It's your turn, you guys. Yeah,
From behind enemy lines, child running, innocent or strapped with explosives, telescopic sight precision.
The Uganda Police Force has gone ahead to recruit and train specialized police officers like Christine, who is standing in front of you, to handle cases of domestic violence and child abuse.
But all I wanted was to walk in the light. I'm in the shadows.
We should encourage the women to struggle and polish up, because the more they give, the more it's like giving food on the table, and we never let children go and understand how we cope.
Right now we're talking about violence, but for me, why don't we prevent it? Why don't we work on something before it escalates?
Part of the challenges we've had while trying to use the media is the costs. It's very, very, very expensive.
Now FIDA fights for human rights as a whole, with a focus on women and children, using the law as a tool for social justice.
Let me hear you clap 1 or 2 or 3, 4. Let me hear you go. Yeah, one more time now. Come on, come on, come on, yeah.
I've made a pact with destiny. Nothing you do can weaken me. I will be.
So me, I think the most important approach is to look at the core woman, rural woman.
Whenever we see a woman moving, a successful woman, like for example these ones, we cannot talk about the women who brought them up without talking the fathers.
We are trying to also forget women with disabilities who are doubly affected. That one is a woman, if we accept that they are disadvantaged because of being women, but then they go ahead to be disadvantaged because of having disabilities.
You're telling them, don't cook anymore, don't obey your husband anymore. Yet God, as in God's powers, He made man head of family.
It's not a fight here, it's just really to collaborate and to cooperate each other. Me, I don't understand why you fear empowering women. Really, why?
Thank you.
You have taught me to behave like this.
All the time when I do something, I'm leaving.
Hey.
Now where are you going? Do you have a home?
Yes.
Which home?
I'm going to find one.
These songs of freedom was all I ever had. Redemption.
But let me tell you something. The European Union, recommends Rebecca Good Jean.
Redemption song. I don't hear. Redemption song.
Just imagine the inconvenience that you can sit in a taxi and you are leaking urine and feces.
But I stayed for like 2 days without feeling any urine coming out. But then after 2 days, the urine I started leaking. With the demonstrations in the past, we sensitized the community on, first of all, the importance of antenatal. We sensitized them on the danger of delivering with an unskilled person.
Family planning services, access to skilled birth attendants.
Omwana nasanganga kaba nze musubiza obutaddamu kukaaba omwana oyo nasanganga nyize nze ne mumulira butaliddamu kunyiiga zamazima onoonsonyiwa naye n'omukwano gutagambika naye nga buli njagala nkandekaawo